Yeah. 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 Mm. Yeah. 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 You see this boy? He likes looking at these things. Every time he's here, his focus is just there. Hmm? We're supposed to be doing this live streaming together. I don't know what happened to him. He preferred looking at those stickers. And I always tell him that anytime he grows up, he can remove the stickers. No big deal, no problem. No big deal, no problem. So happy Sunday to you guys. Happy Sunday to everybody who is watching me around the world. You are welcome on this lovely channel. Mm. Yeah, you guys are welcome. Wait. Oh, yeah. Okay. Oh, Ziba. Yeah. Ziba, good morning. Happy Sunday to you. Jim. I'm doing father's duty. G. Yeah, this is my baby. Say hello, Zebra. Hello, Zebra. How you doing, bro? How's it going with you? You don't have to cry. You don't have to cry. You don't have to cry. Be happy, 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 happy. Thank you for your support. Happy, 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 happy boy. Boy, 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 happy, happy, happy boy, 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 boy, happy, 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 happy. Happy boy. Hello. How are you? How are you? Let me know where you're watching me from. Hey, good afternoon, good morning to you, afternoon. Good morning to you, afternoon. Good morning to you. Say hi. Say hello. Hello. Say hello. Can you see yourself? Can you see yourself? Can you see yourself? Say hello to. Say hello. See. Say hello. Oh, you're yawning. Say hello. 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 G D D D D D D D. I look for one day that will stream on your channel, yeah? Daddy loves you, Daddy loves you, Daddy loves you, Daddy loves you, love you, love you, love you, love you, love. Daddy love you, Daddy love you, oh. Daddy loves you, Daddy loves you, Daddy loves you, love you more. Hey, Daddy loves you more. Daddy loves you more. Daddy loves you, Daddy loves you, Daddy loves you more. Oh, Daddy loves you more, more, more. Daddy loves you more, more, more. Daddy loves you. Daddy loves you. Daddy. He's feeling sleepy, so I just need to sing for him so that he can sleep. Am I right? I need to sing for my boy, then he will sleep. Daddy loves you more. Daddy loves you more. Daddy loves you. Daddy loves you. Daddy loves you more. Your daddy loves you more. Your daddy loves you more. I love you, my boy. I love you, my boy. I love you, love you, love you. I love you, love you. Guys, thank you so much for joining. Happy Sunday to you. Well, welcome to my live stream. And today, on this particular live streaming, I'm here with my son, King Josiah Aondodo in Shimatari. Aondodo's Josiah, he's my boy. And we're streaming together today. And he's kind of tired, yeah, so he's resting, so that's why you can see him. He's quiet, he's not saying anything, he's just looking at the sticker at the back. And anytime he look at those stickers, and he's always excited. I don't know what makes him so excited when he see. Bless you, 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 bless you. Sorry, 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 sorry. Sleep, 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 sleep. Do you need to sleep? Do you? Oh, sorry. Let me open the door for somebody. I'm coming. Thank you. I'm coming. Let me welcome. Sir, welcome, sir. What's it?
Daddy King himself.
Let you.
I'm the king, yeah?
Go on, you.
Oh, okay. Can me when I can't go there.
Oh.
I'm the king. Okay.
Yeah.
I'm going to go in the car.
All right, sir.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Nenenge na ha.
Have
fun. What you look cool, madam.
Okay, sir. Sorry, 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 sorry. Happy Sunday to you, Ado Peter. Ado Peter. Good morning. Lalin. Welcome. Thank you so much for joining. Thank you so much, guys. Thank you so much, guys. So one thing I learned about these newborn babies, yeah, my little experience, because this is my first child, so at times they determine when we sleep. Sometimes it's when this boy will sleep that I and the mother will sleep. Anytime he wakes up, we all wake up. And at times what we do night shift, yeah. At times I will sleep, and then the mother would be awake, taking care of the child, and then after that, then she will sleep, then I'll wake up and take care of the child. So that's what we do every night, to at least to keep this boy company. And those little boys, you can't force them to sleep, and you have to sleep when they want to sleep. And if you try to force them to sleep when they don't want to sleep, it's very difficult for them to do that. So they're like the VIP. We're the father and the mother, but they're the ogas. He's a boss, so we have to obey them, just make them feel that's parental or parent, is it parental or parents' love? We have to make them feel that love and sweetness of the father and the mother and everything. So children are blessings from God. Like this, anytime I look at him, I'm so happy, so excited. And it's just like me seeing my image. Yeah, this is my image. God has made me in his own image and likeness, and then this is my own image, which God has helped me to get this. So it's a blessing, and I'm happy to have him as my son. Yeah, it's a beautiful thing. Family is the best. Family is the best. Maybe as he's sleeping now, maybe I'll just go laying down to rest and then come continue with my life. Guys, let me know where you're watching me from. Let me know where you're watching me from. And all the same, you're all welcome, guys. Welcome to my live stream. You're welcome. If you can hear me, let me know. If you cannot hear me, let me see more so that I can adjust myself so that you know. Yeah. Yesterday I was streaming and it was a wonderful experience streaming. Why are you shaking your body? You're here with me and why are you shaking your body? Hello, what experience? What's the name again? Oh, Ocean, how are you? How you doing? Long time no see. How is it going with you? Ocean. How is the YouTube business going? I hope you're creating content. Don't get tired of creating content. Always create content. It's very important. And okay, I don't think you have up to 1,000 subscribers. If you do, I would have said you should be streaming like me. It's very important when we stream. Sometimes I will feel like I'll just leave my camera, everything will be running. The house people will be watching. Hello, who's there? Your friend, how are you? Thank you. Your friend, where are you watching me from? Let me know. Let us know where you're watching us from. Let us know where you're watching us from. Let us know. Ndote, can I do phone now? Do phone. Talk phone now. Go that way. That's what I want to tell you. Oh, is that Brazil or Jamaica? No, that's Brazil. Wow. How is Brazil today? How is Brazil today? Hope Brazil is fine and cool. Your friend, are you a YouTuber? How is Brazil today? Oh, Jamaica, yeah. You know, Jamaican flag looks almost like the one in Brazil. How is Jamaica today? Are you a YouTuber? Or you love watching videos on YouTube? I'm waiting for the day that somebody will send me my first, what do they call it? Chat, super chat, super sticker. That person will create a history in my live streaming. So guys, yeah, your friend, are you a YouTuber? If you're a YouTuber, then I will subscribe to your YouTube channel, and then because at times it's good for us to support each other in any way we can. And seeing you here, if you're a YouTuber, at least I will subscribe to your YouTube channel, and then I will tell people who are watching here to subscribe. And if you're watching me, you're a YouTuber, okay, let me check your YouTube channel. If you are watching me here, if you're a YouTuber, please guys, subscribe to your friend YouTube channel. I feel sad for you. Oh, subscribe. You feel sad for me? How? Why? Why do you feel sad for me? Your friend. I'm trying to check your YouTube channel. Your friend. But is that the name of your YouTube channel? I'm trying to check for the name so that I can subscribe. I can't find it. Can you tap the name of your YouTube channel? Because what I'm seeing here is more like videos. Oh, you're the only one here. No, I think about 6 people are watching me right now. So you're not the only one. So your friend, what kind of yes, I was just looking for other things. Guys, I have my WhatsApp group. If you guys want to join my WhatsApp group, you can check for my post. I have a post there that's if you want to be part of my WhatsApp group, then you can be part of my WhatsApp group. Hope to come to Jamaica one day. And when I come to Jamaica, I will go to that, is it Rastafaras? Yes, I'll go there. Now, do you mean that I should write the name Combine? Because I'm still looking at it. Sorry, boy. Sorry, boy. Sorry, boy. Well, that's why sometimes it's good to have your channel should have a unique name. You know, so it's good for your subscribers to be unique. It's very important. Sorry, not subscribers, the name of your channel. And I'm trying to look for it and I can't find it. YouTube is getting worse. I can't say that because to me, all these platforms that we all use, yeah, as content creators, to me, this boy, you want me to go and put you on your bed a bit? To me, YouTube is the best, and YouTube makes it easier for us to even withdraw, you know. And but some other channel, some other platform, you have to struggle before you withdraw your money, which is not fair. I can't even find your channel. All right, maybe you go in any of my videos and comment my videos that I've posted already, so you can go and comment, then I will find you. I don't think is it this one? I don't think it's this one. So to me, thank you for subscribers. To me, thank you for subscribing. To me, YouTube is okay, because now it's not every what do they call them? It's not every platform that you can be able to, you know, withdraw money in your country, especially here in Nigeria. You know, we find it difficult to withdraw money. Sorry. Just a minute, let me put this boy to sleep. So sorry about that. Thank you. I'll still look for you. See the boy that was sleeping. Now you don't want to sleep, eh? Sorry. Sleep. Don't sleep. Sleep, boy. Sleep, boy. Sleep. Sleep now. Sleep. Sleep. Sleep, sleep, boy. Sleep, sleep, boy. Sleep, sleep, boy. Sleep, sleep, boy. Sleep, 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 sleep. Sleep, sleep, sleep. Sleep, sleep, sleep. Sleep, 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 sleep. Sleep, 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 sleep. Sleep, sleep, sleep. Sleep, sleep, sleep. Sleep, sleep, sleep. Sleep, 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 sleep. Sleep, sleep. Sleep, sleep, sleep. Sleep, sleep. Sleep, sleep, boy. Sleep, sleep, sleep. Sleep, sleep, sleep. Sleep, sleep, sleep. I believe my boy is sleeping. I'm not too sure. Maybe he can wake up. Oh God. Yeah. That's how we fathers do fatherhood. That's a beautiful experience as a father, you know. When you experience this kind of thing, it makes you feel so. It makes you feel so good. Eight, 7. Zero. Guys, welcome to my live stream. Welcome. This is too many now. Which one is the real person here? That's why sometimes when you're creating a channel, you should have a simple name that when they type, they'll be able to find you. Because a lot of people are bearing this name, so I don't know who is who. Something subscribers. The more we are together, 4 and 7. Together. The more we are together, the happier we shall be. The more we are together. have to check the first name, because the first name he gave, it is more accurate. This one here. Guys, let me know where you're watching me from. Let me know where you're watching me from. Why am I feeling sleepy? Too much enjoyment, Abby? If it is too much enjoyment, then I should sleep now. If it is too much enjoyment, then let me sleep.
You say you're feeling sleepy now?
I'm feeling sleepy.
I'm following the Saturday bathroom back. Do come up with the half round, you know. Come on, I'm moving by you more thoughtful.
What's up? On the door, there. Come this side. Hey, don't go there. Don't go there.
Yeah.
Especially when I don't want to drive. I use InDrive because we InDrive, you know.
When she came out from the labor room, her son did not come out with her. I came out from the labor room, but my son refused to follow me back home. Maybe he didn't love me. So, hi, honey. Please bless every pregnant woman. Every pregnant woman. No, is you don't know the bone blue. After 9 months, you do one. It's so painful.
Hello. Oscar, how is it going? Yeah. Yeah, my color.
Carlos kataba mhindu numu da sunu soba ndio soba. Kwa mimi ndio kwa fe.
Sorry for what?
I know that I can show you then.
I will have 5 people. 5 people are very important. Even if it's one person that is watching me, I appreciate everybody. Even if it's one person, good. 5, good. 2, 3, 4, 10, 20, 30, 40. I appreciate everybody. Some people go live, they don't see people that will watch them, but me, at least, I have people who are watching me, so. When you're watching adverts, from adverts. Pick one in the app. TikTok. Welcome, guys. Welcome. Please, if you are new here, do not forget to subscribe. If you are old here, like, share, and comment. Let me know where you're watching it from.
This is me. I remember Final Cartoon. This is kind of the one in Channel Camp.
Alright, guys, I'll see you later in the day. Alright, thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much for your time. Thank you so much for your support. I really appreciate. Bye bye. See you in the next video.